So I'm Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So I'm going to take the topic Cosmic Full Function Point from the subject Software Project Management. So Cosmic Full Function Point. So Cosmic FFP is the Common Software Measurement International Consortium Full Function Point. Cosmic deals with decomposing the system architecture into hierarchy of software layers. So its unit is CFU, Cosmic Functional Size Units. A data movement moves one data group. A data group is a unique cohesive set of data specifying an object of interest, something that is of interest to the user. So each data amount is counted as CFP. Cosmic recognizes four types of data movements. Entry moves data from outside to the process. Exit moves from the process to the outside world. Read moves data from persistent storage to the process. Function points, function user requirements of the software are identified and each one is categorized into one of five types: output, inquiries, inputs, internal files and external interfaces. Once a function is identified and categorized into a type, so it is then assessed for complexity and assigned a number of function points. Each of these function user requirements maps to an end user business function, such as a data entry for an input or a user query for an inquiry. So use of function points in favor of lines of codes to seek address several additional issues, the risk of inflation of the created lines of code and thus reducing the value of the measurement system if developers are insensitive to be more productive. So lines of code measures reward low-level languages because more lines of code are needed to deliver a similar amount of functionality to a higher level language. LOC measures are not useful during early project phases where estimating the number of lines of code that will be delivered is challenging. So function points can be derived from the requirements and therefore are useful in methods such as estimation by proxy. Early and easy function points adjust for the problem and data complexity with the two questions that yield somewhat subjective complexity requirement. Engineering function points as elements, variables and operators are counted. This variation highlights computational function. The intent is similar to that the operator or operator based hull set complexity measures. Bank measure defines a function metric based on 12 primitive counts that affect defined as a measure of true function to be delivered as perceived by the user. Bank measures could apply when re-engineering is being considered as discussed in maintenance of operational systems. Feature points add changes to improve the applicability to systems with significant internal processing. So weighted microfunction points, one of the fewer models which adjusted function points using weights derived from program flow complexity, operand vocabulary, object use